Bullish stepn, GMT, cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of $0.998573 and $1.89 by 2030. Market examiners accept GMT could reach $0.776668 by 2025. Bearish stepn market cost expectation for 2023 is $0.177524. stepn, GMT, presentation. As we probably are aware, this video is about stepn cost expectation on the whole. We should view the essential presentation of this cash in the event that you need a decent profit from your beneficial speculation from it. stepn, the principal NFT drive in light of the transition to procure idea, is a solid way of life application with social money, social and play to procure games viewpoints. Jerry Huang and Yan Rong, two Australian programming designers, helped to establish stepn in August 2021. stepn won the 2021 Solana Start hacking rivalry prior to getting a $5 million subsidizing round from private value behemoth Sequoia Capital. The green metaverse token, GMT, the stepn's administration token, was made accessible on Solana in WAC 2022. Holders of GMT can propose and settle on project progressions and depository dissemination. Prior to making it stepn cost, we inspect what is GMT, stepn. What's more, GMT, stepn specialized and major examination. We should check it out. What is stepn, GMT? stepn is a Web3 move to procure portable application with parts for social and gaming finance. Gamefi and Socialfi. Find Satoshi Lab, an Australian fintech studio, is the gathering behind stepn. The venture chips away at the Solana blockchain, and its center thought relies upon moving around, which is a great many people's regular movement. At the 2021 Solana Start Hackathon, stepn wrapped the second place and was the principal venture to coordinate the move to acquire idea practically. The objective of the game part of stepn is to urge a great many clients to take on a better way of life, battle environmental change, and abstain from driving high emanation vehicles. Then again, the social money part of stepn expects to foster a stage that advances client-produced Web3 content. You have without a doubt heard the proverb, put resources into individuals, not items. This citation basically catches the primary thought of the principal examination. Financial backers that stick to central examination contend that the principal indicator of a resource's future presentation is the organization's solidarity. For financial backers looking to buy reasonable resources, this is an amazing strategy. stepn is presently worth $0.221905 United States dollars. GMT has moved 4.81% as of now with an exchanging volume of $40,682,861. stepn is presently positioned 128 among all digital currencies, with a market capitalization of $211,325,287 United States dollars. Using the general strength record, RSI, moving weighted normal, MWA, Williams fractal, and moving normal union uniqueness, MACD, from the diagram above, we can decide cost designs for stepn, GMT. To conclude, whether having a bullish or negative year is going. Our cost expectation conjectures utilize constant stepn, GMT, market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost expectations in light of current market action. stepn, GMT, value expectation 2023 stepn, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. GMT. The GMT cost gauge for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's last part, conceivably coming to $0.332858. Similarly, as with other digital forms of money, the ascent will be steady. However, no extensive drops are normal. Averaging $0.310667 in cost is very aggressive, yet it is achievable sooner rather than later given expected coordinated efforts and progressions. GMT is supposed to have a base worth of $0.266286. stepn, GMT, value expectation 2024 of every 2024. stepn GMT cost forecast has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new associations and drives, we guess that the cost of GMT will before long outperform $0.554763. Notwithstanding, We ought to hold back to check whether the GMT's general strength list emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, GMT will exchange with a base exchanging cost of $0.44381 and a typical exchanging cost of $0.488191. STEPN, GMT, value expectation 2025, assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025. It could reach $0.776668, and GMT might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. GMT is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of $0.710097 and a low of $0.665716 in 2025. STEPN, GMT, value expectation 2026. Assuming that STEPN effectively supports market opinion among cryptographic money fans, the GMT coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, GMT will be green in 2026. The GMT is supposed to reach and outperform its record-breaking high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at $0.998573 with a base cost of $0.887621 and a typical cost of $0.932002. STEPN, GMT, value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized investigation, we gauge the GMT cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of $1.15 by 2027, with a base cost of $1.11 anticipated before the year's end. Besides, GMT has a most extreme value worth of $1.22. STEPN, GMT, value forecast 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around $1.38. In the event that GMT figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a greatest cost of $1.44. Neglecting to accumulate the help GMT needs by 2028 could bring about a low of $1.33. STEPN, GMT, value expectation 2029. While GMT is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at $1.55 and a yearly cost close above $1.66 in 2029. STEPN, GMT, value expectation 2030. By 2030, STEPN will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be $1.78 and possibly around